Some cherry towing like that, mixing with mud and water. Did you mix the cow dung? Not yet. Oh, you put that one, Jerry? Yeah, where? Inside. Okay. You mix it, Jaria. Dak. Tain ng baka na mix na niya. Luto ko na yung gulay, guys, o na manago. Ini-steam ko. Tapos lagyan ko to ng tomato at onions. Ang sakit na nauntog ang ulo ko dito sa ano. Dito si Jeria. Nagaganyan na naman. Jeria is very hardworking, you know, guys. Is very hardworking. Nadalaga. Even here inside, she put for flooring. So that's only water, Jeria, and sand. White sand. To finishing, to look good. So ito yun, guys. Tapos i-mix niya ng water. Simento ata to eh. Check ko nga. Oops. Parang simento siya. So dito, hindi pa daw tapos. Dito, i-finishing pa daw niya. Tsaka dyan na side. Lagyan niya to ng water. Bella! Ligo ta karon na. So, andito sila Muraro at sister ni Muraro, Habi. They are from garden to plant manago vegetable. They walk. How many hours you walk?
3 hours.
3 hours? Yeah. Just walking. Ooh. 3 hours just one way. Then it's 6 hours.
Yes.
Morning.
Morning from 12 from 6 to 9.
6 to 9. So you arrive 9 there.
From 1 p.m.
1 p.m.
4.
4. Why? It's not easy. Very far. Okay.
Bella?
What is the time now? It's 4. For sure, it's 4. Ito yung view dito, guys. So, yung donkey. Andito yung donkey. So, uwi na sila. The house is dyan lang, guys. So, yung bahay. Yung may scene na may natumbang banana. Okay. Let me bath also. So, andito lang din sila. Nagpapahangin. Ay, shock. Ay. Ay, grabe din yung ano nila, guys. Yung trabaho nila. Hindi din pala easy. Magwo-walk sila ng 3 hours. They walk 3 hours going to the chamber to plant the vegetables. And they come back. So 3 hours walking. Oh. Ito yung ano dito. Wow. Ano to tawag dito? Avocado. Pabunga na siya. Okay. Ligo muna ako, guys. Dito na yung tubig ko. Yung kabo ko, buhay pa. Ito lang yung kabo ko dito guys. Kasi yung maliligo sila, kamay lang. Walang kabo-kabo. What are you doing? Bella, what are you doing? Huh? Your back is because of that Jerry. Wow.
Even it is smelling.
Punta na naman kami sa Gitini. May mga bata dito. These kids, they went to the Arde. Bella, Bella. Beautiful eyes. Guys, magmamadali kami papunta sa market. Bili kami ng fruits doon. Katapos lang namin mag-interview ni Moraro, guys. Are you sure with the road, Moraro? Good area. May bagtak is masakit na. Hindi kasi sanay sa lakad-lakad. Walang exercise. So ito lang yung na pagpawisan ako guys na maglalakad dito. Para lumabas lang din yung toxic sa katawan. May naglalaro dito. Mga bata. Ito yung church dito. Is the stay church. Malayo na sila. So dito yan yung laro nila dito guys, soccer. Mahilig yan sila sa mga soccer, football, running. Yan. Lagi yan sila mananalo pag running. Let's trial. Oh, hi guys, I'm with the Moraro. You speak Moraro. Say hi. Just speak. I want to check if he's okay.
Oh, no.